Hi everyone, we are here at Cap des Llibrell. It's a hilltop in Cala Llonga. This is the vision to Formentera Island there ahead. Not even seeing where I'm focusing, but big cruiser coming into Ibiza port. Nice beach down there. So we've got a very wide panoramic view. Yeah, you've got ruins here, Roman ruins. There's not much left, but you have these. I'll show you a bit around. You have a bit of it left. Here. So this used to be a little Roman settlement. There's not much left, but they're talking about working on it, like to clean it, because it's been taken over by nature. Rosemary. Formentera is there on the horizon. Little sister of Ibiza. And Ibiza town there, over there. That's Ibiza town. So there's big cruisers entering Ibiza town. Nice, right? The sun is out again. We had a lot of rain yesterday. Enjoy, everyone.